away. We're going to the farm.
Where we going?
To fishing farm.
Fishing? All right, look. What's up, guys? Me and Matthew's about to go pick some worms off the tree, and we're going to fish with them.
Yeah.
We're going to ride the players down to the lake and see if we can catch a couple of brim off the dock or some catfish. We'll fry them up tonight. Hey,
Yay.
say catch, clean, and cook.
Catch, clean, food.
Cook.
Cook.
Oh, there's one of them turkeys, look.
It says, hey, wait up for me, friends.
Hey, wait up for me, friends. All right, Matthew, let's get some worms. Got us some worms. Plenty of left over. Let's go catch some fish. Come on, Matthew. There you go. Hey, chicken. There you go. All right, Matthew. We got our fishing poles. Got our bucket. Go catch some fish. Huh? I'm scared of them turkeys. I know, that's that race boat. All right, you ready? Come on.
Yep.
Pier's closed, so we're gonna fish off the dock at the ramp. Yeah, is that right? How you do it?
You do this.
Yep. Uh-oh.
I don't reel it back up.
There you go. All right, now reel it up and do it again. Just keep practicing that. You got to close it, remember? There you go. All right. How'd you do it before?
Wait, it didn't work this
You
time.
got to open it.
This?
Yep. But you got to hold the rod out over the water. There it goes. Let it go all the way down, then reel it back up.
It already went off. No, I can't reel it yet. Nope. No? Nope. Went over this side.
I think I got one. Oh, man. Stick fish.
Yeah, I had a stick on mine too.
All right, throw your rod. Let me see how you do it.
So you do this, do that, and then
Look at that, boy. You got it, ain't it? Good job. Keep practicing. Catch any fish, Matthew?
no.
Guess they're not wanting the booger worm today. We've been out here for a little while. We ain't caught nothing. Ain't even had a bite.
Yeah.
I had a couple of friends that had come around fishing, they had a bite, and I thought it was crazy, but hey, I ain't got none either. Yeah, come here and put it right here. Put it in the hole.
Where's the hole?
Right there.
Hey.
There you go.
You
What?
have to put the worms back in here so they don't die.
Looks like one of them died.
Hold on, there's something under me.
Now let's try one more spot. Let's get the rods. We're gonna fish the creek.
Hell yes!
What do you say?
Oh yes!
How about that?
Hey.
That's what I caught, maybe.
Hey.
Here, watch your hand out the way, man.
It's angry. He tried to stump back in the water. He tried to stump back in the water.
I gotta get the hook off of it. I hook.
Thought you did, Bob. I thought you put the butterfly.
Yeah.
Your head on mine. Hello.
See how fast. Catch one. Matthew, look on my legs, son. You let one out.
Huh?
You must have let one out. Look. Is that fun? How many fish we get?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 of them. Yeah. Home sweet home. We slayed them, guys. We caught 4 huge fish. No, I'm probably, I was hoping to keep it alive. Matthew didn't want to throw them back, so I feed them to the chickens. I was gonna put them in the pond, but they didn't make it home. But that was it. We had a good time. Matthew, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Well, we caught some fish. We had to catch them in the creek. There wasn't nothing biting at the lake. So, yeah, the fish died.
Yep.
What's, why is this fence around the porch?
These are the ducks. Pooping on them all day.
They poop on our porch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to put the fence up around our porch. Keep the turkeys and ducks from pooping on it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Catch us next time. Say McCaskill Farmstead.
To Texas Farms.